Bonjour everyone and welcome back to How to Pronounce French, the channel where we help you sound like a native French speaker, one word at a time. I'm Mark and in this video we will dive into proper French pronunciation technique. Let's get started. Today we will learn how to pronounce neveu in French, which means nephew. Let's go. Neveu. Neveu. Very slow. Neveu. Neveu. So here you have two vowels and neither exist in English. The first is the light ne, okay? Then the second is rounded and closed, okay? Neveu, neveu. And the feminine of neveu, nièce, which is niece, follow an entirely different pattern. That's the magic of French. Neveu, nièce, neveu. Well done! If you found this video helpful, click the thumb up and subscribe to How to Pronounce French. Thanks for watching and à la prochaine!